young explorers. Today, we are setting off on an extraordinary journey to the heart of ancient Asian ingenuity. Imagine a time when incredible inventions changed the world and the way people lived. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind 5 remarkable technologies that shaped ancient civilizations. Our first wonder is papermaking, an ingenious invention that emerged in ancient China around 105 AD. In the bustling workshops of ancient Chinese scholars, they discovered that by pulping plant fibers from materials like mulberry bark and hemp, they could create a smooth, writable surface. This groundbreaking technique transformed the way people documented their thoughts, making knowledge more accessible and paving the way for the books we cherish today. Let's unravel the story of silk production, a marvel that originated in ancient China around 2700 BC. Legend has it that an ancient Chinese empress discovered silkworms' secret, the delicate threads they produced. By carefully nurturing these silkworms, people learned to harvest their silk and weave it into luxurious fabrics. This precious material not only became a symbol of wealth and royalty, but also sparked a thriving trade route known as the Silk Road, connecting East and West in ancient times. Now, let's journey to the ancient Asia and China, where the art of metallurgy flourished around 3000 BC. Skilled blacksmiths experimented with various metals like bronze and iron, discovering their unique properties. Through trial and error, they learned to forge these metals into tools, weapons, and intricate ornaments. This mastery revolutionized architecture, warfare, and craftsmanship, propelling ancient civilizations into a new era of progress. Our next innovation, the iron plow, sprouted in ancient India around 1000 BC. Imagine farmers struggling with heavy wooden plows, then suddenly discovering the strength of iron. With this sturdy tool, they could till the soil more efficiently, ensuring a bountiful harvest and transforming agriculture. This advancement not only fed growing populations but also laid the foundation for sustainable farming practices. Lastly, let's suspend our belief and marvel at suspension bridges. Yes, an ancient architectural feat embraced by ancient Asians. Using sturdy materials like bamboo and iron chains, engineers designed bridges that defied gravity. These bridges not only connected distant lands, but also facilitated trade, cultural exchange, and unity among diverse communities. The incredible tale of 5 ancient Asian technologies that revolutionized civilizations. Through curiosity, experimentation, and ingenuity, ancient people shaped the course of history. So, young explorers, remember to embrace your curiosity and creativity. Always. If you enjoyed this fascinating journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until our next exploration, keep discovering the wonders of the past. See you on our next adventures, you curious minds.